Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. You're watching Ethical Explorers. Today we're going to talk about a category of phishing frameworks that have become increasingly concerning in the cybersecurity world. These platforms are designed to make phishing attacks more convincing by acting as intermediaries between a victim and a legitimate website. Traditional phishing pages often fail when multi-factor authentication is enabled because the attacker only captures the username and password. Modern adversary-in-the-middle phishing frameworks attempt to overcome this limitation by relaying traffic between the victim and the real service in real time. This allows attackers to potentially capture session information and gain unauthorized access even when additional authentication factors are used. What makes these platforms dangerous is not just credential theft. Some are designed to monitor browser activity, collect session cookies, capture downloaded files, log user actions, and gather information stored within browser profiles. From a defender's perspective, this means that protecting only passwords is no longer enough. Organizations should understand that session cookies can be just as valuable as passwords. If an attacker gains access to an authenticated session, they may be able to impersonate a user without knowing the original credentials. This is why many security teams are focusing on stronger authentication methods, device trust, conditional access policies, and continuous session monitoring. There are several warning signs that users should watch for: unexpected login prompts, unusual redirects, websites with suspicious domains, security certificate warnings, and requests to re-enter credentials repeatedly can all indicate a potential phishing attempt. Users should always verify URLs carefully and avoid clicking links from untrusted sources. For security professionals, monitoring for unusual logging locations, impossible travel events, abnormal session behavior, and unexpected authentication patterns can help identify compromised accounts. Security awareness training also remains one of the most effective defenses against phishing campaigns. Modern browsers and security solutions continue to improve protections against credential theft and malicious websites. However, attackers constantly evolve their techniques, making it essential for organizations to maintain layered defenses. Multi-factor authentication remains important, but it should be combined with phishing-resistant authentication methods whenever possible. The key takeaway is that phishing attacks are becoming more sophisticated and are increasingly targeting authenticated sessions rather than just passwords. Understanding how these attacks work helps defenders build better detection and prevention strategies. If you found this cybersecurity awareness discussion useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Ethical Explorers, and turn on notifications so you never miss future content covering cybersecurity threats, defenses, and best practices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.